Ever opened your washer and been hit with a musty smell? Millions of Americans deal with hidden mold buildup that ruins clothes and shortens machine lifespans. But there's a simple fix most people don't know. Stick around as we will soon reveal this simple solution while counting down the top 7 best washing machines of 2025, including ones designed to eliminate this problem for good. At the number 7 spot is the Miele 24-inch Smart Front Load Washer. This brand of washing machines has almost legendary status when it comes to long-lasting performance. We highly recommend a Miele washing machine for years of top-notch service. And if you are looking for a washing machine that is durable and also does it all, then this one is a great choice with the Miele 24-inch Smart Front Load Washer. Cutting-edge tech meets brilliant performance. First off, Miele's honeycomb drum is designed to protect your clothes, creating a water cushion that lets fabrics glide smoothly. That means less wear, fewer snags, and clothes that stay looking new longer. And say goodbye to detergent waste. With Twin DAW's automatic dispensing, this washer measures the perfect amount of detergent every time, so you get a deep clean without the guesswork. Prefer to do it manually? You've got that option too. Short on time? The quick intense wash cycle delivers brilliant results in just 49 minutes. And if you just need to wash a single item, the single wash feature cleans efficiently without wasting water or energy. Speaking of efficiency, this washer automatically adjusts water and energy use based on the load, saving up to 60% on energy costs. Plus, an extra water connection lets you use rain or well water, making it super eco-friendly. Control it all from your phone with Wi-Fi Connect and enjoy features like soft steam, which reduces wrinkles so you can ditch the iron. At $2,099, the Miele Smart Washer is built to last, packed with features, and totally worth it. Remember, we had talked about a musty smell in your washer right in the beginning. Here is the simple solution for this problem. This foul odor is caused by mold and mildew buildup inside the drum and gasket. Even with regular detergent use, moisture trapped in front-loading washers creates the perfect environment for bacteria and mold to grow, leading to that nasty, musty smell in your laundry. The simple solution that most people don't realize is leaving the washer door slightly open after each load. This allows airflow to dry out moisture, preventing mold growth altogether. Additionally, running a monthly hot water cycle with vinegar or a washing machine cleaner can eliminate hidden buildup. This small habit can keep your washer fresh, extend its lifespan, and save you from dealing with smelly clothes. Coming in at the number 6 spot is the LG WashTower 4.5 cubic feet washer and 7.4 cubic feet electric dryer. Meet the LG WashTower, the ultimate space-saving, time-saving, all-in-one laundry solution. Forget juggling a separate washer and dryer. The LG WashTower combines both into one sleek, stacked unit without sacrificing power or performance. And unlike traditional stacked sets, this one has an integrated control panel right in the middle, so no more awkward reaching or bending to adjust settings. Now let's talk speed. The normal wash cycle is 35% faster than average, finishing in just 35 minutes. In a real hurry, the speed wash cycle gets it done in only 16 minutes. That's nearly twice as fast as most quick cycles. And speed doesn't mean sacrificing cleanliness. The WashTower actually outperforms standard washers in stain removal, so your clothes come out fresher, brighter, and cleaner every time. One of the best features, the washer and dryer actually communicate. Once your wash cycle finishes, the machine automatically picks the best drying settings. No guesswork, no extra steps. Just toss in your laundry, hit start, and let the WashTower handle the rest. Need wrinkle-free clothes fast? The built-in steam function freshens up fabrics without needing an iron. Plus, the sanitize feature kills bacteria and allergens, making it a great choice for families and sensitive skin. At $1,999, the LG WashTower is the perfect pick for anyone who wants smart features, lightning-fast cycles, and effortless laundry in a compact design. Our number 5 ranked washing machine is the Samsung Bespoke 5.3 cubic feet Ultra Capacity Smart Front Load Washer. There are a lot of people out there who absolutely hate Samsung washing machines. Complaints from bad service to low durability are everywhere. However, Samsung has heard them and has developed far better washing machines. One of them is this one. If you're looking for a washer that's fast, smart, and seriously stylish, the Samsung Bespoke front load washer is a total game changer. Let's start with size and speed. This ultra-capacity washer handles huge loads, meaning fewer trips to the laundry room. And if you're in a hurry, Samsung's Super Speed Wash cleans a full load in just 28 minutes. Pair it with the Super Speed Dryer, and you've got clean, dry clothes in under an hour. Now that's efficiency. But what really sets this washer apart is the AI Smart Dial. It learns your favorite cycles and recommends the best settings, so no more second guessing. Plus, if you've got a stacked setup, you can control both the washer and dryer from one panel. No more awkward reaching. Want even more convenience? With Wi-Fi and the SmartThings app, you can start, stop, and schedule loads right from your phone. Imagine tossing in your laundry, heading out, and coming home to fresh, clean clothes. And Samsung didn't forget about deep cleaning. Steam-powered stain removal tackles dirt without extra pretreatment, while antimicrobial tech and self-clean, plus keep the drum fresh automatically. At just $999, the Samsung Bespoke washer delivers premium performance, sleek design, and AI-powered smarts, all in one ultra-convenient package. Our number 4 ranked washing machine is the LG Signature 5.8 cubic feet large smart Wi-Fi enabled front load washer. Laundry day just got smarter, faster, and way easier with the LG Signature Smart Front Load Washer. First off, capacity and speed. With 5.8 cubic feet of space, this washer tackles massive loads, so you can say goodbye to endless back-to-back cycles. And thanks to Turbo Wash technology, it cleans extra large loads 30 minutes faster than traditional washers. Less waiting, more doing. But here's where it gets really cool. LG's Twin Wash system. Pair it with the optional LG Sidekick, and you can wash 2 loads at once. Need to clean a big batch of towels while freshening up delicates? No problem. This setup lets you handle it all in one go. And because it's Wi-Fi enabled, you can check on your laundry right from your phone or even your TV screen. With ThinQ Care, you'll get maintenance alerts and instant diagnostics, so your washer stays in top shape with zero guesswork. Worried about stains? LG's steam technology gets deep into fabrics, tackling dirt, odors, and wrinkles for fresher, cleaner clothes. No extra effort needed. Plus, the sleek, door-mounted touch controls add a modern touch, and quiet operation means no annoying laundry day noise. At $1,599, this washer is all about speed, smarts, and serious convenience. If you're ready to make laundry day effortless, the LG Signature washer is the way to go. Hitting the number 3 spot is the Maytag 4.7 cubic feet Pet Pro Top Load Washer. Pet owners, you know the struggle, fur everywhere, but the Maytag Pet Pro Top Load Washer is here to save your laundry and your sanity. The real MVP, the Pet Pro Filter. This built-in powerhouse removes 5x more pet hair than a regular wash. Just hit the Pet Pro option, and the washer goes to work, using extra water and a deep rinse to lift and trap fur, so it doesn't end up back on your clothes. You'll actually see the hair collected in the filter. It's weirdly satisfying. Got muddy paw prints or surprise messes? No worries. This washer has a built-in water faucet, so you can rinse, soak, or pre-treat stains right inside. No need to run to the sink. And if you're in a hurry, the quick wash cycle gets small loads done in just 30 minutes. Pair it with a quick dry cycle on the matching Maytag dryer, and boom, fresh, clean clothes in under an hour. Need more power? The deep fill option adds extra water for those extra dirty loads. Perfect for pet beds, blankets, or heavily soiled clothes. And with a massive 4.7 feet capacity, you can wash up to 19 towels at once. At $799, this washer is built to last, with a stainless steel basket, powerful spin speeds, and a 10-year warranty. If you love your pets but hate their hair, the Maytag Pet Pro is a total game changer. Nearly at the top at the number 2 spot is the Maytag Smart Capable 5.2 cubic feet Agitator Top Load Washer. If you need a washer that's big, powerful, and smart, the Maytag Smart Capable Top Load Washer is one to check out. First off, this thing is massive. With a 5.2 cubic foot drum, you can wash huge loads in one go. Think 8 full-size bath towels at once, No more back-to-back washes just to get through laundry day. Now let's talk power. The extra power button is a total game changer for stain removal. It uses a dual temperature wash to break down tough stains like mud, coffee, and even wine. So while pre-treating is still smart, this washer gives you a serious stain-fighting boost when you need it. The controls, sleek and simple. You get a 2.4-inch digital display, easy-to-use dial, and options like deep fill, extra rinse, and spin speed. So you can customize every wash. Plus, it's got a pull-out detergent drawer for added convenience. But here's where it really stands out. It's smart capable. Connect it to the Maytag app, and you can monitor cycles, pause washes, and even get maintenance alerts, all from your phone. No more guessing when your laundry's done. At $899, this washer delivers serious cleaning power with high spin speeds that cut down drying time. It's not the quietest machine, but if you want big capacity, smart tech, and stain-fighting performance, this Maytag is definitely worth it. Taking the top spot is the GE Profile UltraFresh Vent System Plus. Ever opened your washer and been hit with that musty, damp smell? Yeah, not exactly the fresh start you want. But with the GE Profile Smart Front Load Washer, that problem is history. Thanks to its UltraFresh Vent System Plus, this machine actively removes moisture, so odors never even get a chance to settle in. No more funky smelling laundry room, just fresh, clean clothes every time. But GE didn't stop there. They've built an antimicrobial technology in key spots like the gasket, detergent dispenser, and drainage system. Translation: less gunk, fewer odors, and a washer that stays cleaner longer. Now let's talk convenience. This thing is smart, really smart. The adaptive smart dispense system holds up to 32 loads of detergent at once. Just fill it up, and it automatically measures and dispenses the perfect amount. No guessing, no mess, no waste. And of course, there's an app for that. With Smart HQ, you can control everything from your phone, monitor cycles, tweak settings, and even download new features as they roll out. But here's the real game changer. It can dry small loads right in the drum. No transferring to the dryer, no waiting around, just set it and go. Oh, and if you need an extra deep clean, the built-in steam and sanitization cycles tackle stains and kill 99% of bacteria and allergens. At $1,524, this washer isn't just about cleaning clothes. It's about making laundry effortless. If you want a machine that works smarter, so you don't have to, this is the one to check out. So which of these washing machines eliminate mold and mildew buildup to keep your washer fresh? The GE Profile UltraFresh Vent System Plus solves this problem through the UltraFresh Vent System Plus, which actively removes moisture after each wash, preventing mold and odor buildup. It also has the built-in odor block technology in the gasket, detergent dispenser, and drainage system that fights bacteria and mildew. The smart dispense holds and dispenses detergent automatically, reducing excess soap residue, which contributes to mold growth. That makes this model one of the best in preventing mold. Next, the Samsung Bespoke 5.3 cubic feet ultra capacity smart front load washer also solves this problem through its steam-powered cleaning that kills bacteria and loosens detergent buildup that can lead to mold. It also has Self-Clean Plus, which automatically cleans the drum and removes residue every 40 wash cycles. The smart AI technology optimizes detergent use, preventing excess soap buildup, which is a major cause of mold growth. So the Samsung Bespoke is another great choice if you want an ultra-capacity washer with built-in mold prevention features. Two other models in our list help in reducing the problem. The Miele 24-inch Smart Front Load Washer uses Twin DAWs automatic detergent dispensing, preventing excess detergent buildup that can trap moisture. Next, the LG Signature 5.8 cubic feet large smart Wi-Fi enabled front load washer uses steam technology to sanitize and reduce bacteria growth inside the drum. That brings us to the end of this video on the best washing machines of 2025. We hope you found this video to be useful. Do like, share, and subscribe to Up on Top for more videos like this one. Also, do share your thoughts in the comments section below.